Here we are in the testing department. It was here that the LTM 1110-5.2 has been tested and put through its paces over several years. The aim of the field tests is now to truly optimize the machine in even finer detail for when it's being used by the customer. So of course we chose extreme weather to do it in. We've got a vehicle that's on the move in the southern latitudes, and we've got a vehicle that's travelling in the Arctic Circle to capture the cold aspects. We want to cover as much of the customer's validation as possible.
Hello, I'm Lothinio. Our company is called Formac, and I'm the operator of the Liebherr LTM 1110-5.2 crane. We've had the crane since November 2023, and we use it to assemble precast concrete elements. We're currently on the Albanesa construction site in Damiel, lifting and transporting slabs that are 10 metres long and weigh 12 tonnes. The new Licon 3 control system is excellent. It's really easy to operate, and I'm very happy with it. The crane performs well with no issues, and so far it's been monitored by Liebherr without any problems.
We've installed measurement technology into the field test vehicles. Each day, this measurement technology sends us measurement data for that day, which we can analyze when events occur. The aim of the whole undertaking is to sustainably improve product quality with these measures.
A few years ago, we got a sneak preview of the new Licon 3 crane with a new design that included both the operator's and driver's cab, as well as the rest of the crane. Even then, we decided that we should have one of the first Licon 3 cranes to be supplied by Liebherr. It took a few years, but it's finally here. The crane is very nice, attractive design, nice colors in blue, and with Sunmura Kranservice RS logos on it, so I'm very happy with the purchase.
I drive the crane on regular roads. It's very pleasant to drive, comfortable, with a cabin that has excellent suspension and everything works smoothly. We're currently at Larsnes Mekaniske Verksted constructing a key. Everything in the driver's cab and the chassis is new, and it's even better than before. It's almost like being inside a lorry in these modern cranes. There's a completely different display in the superstructure cab and a completely different support for your hands when driving the crane. It's just entirely different. It's definitely a good improvement. The great thing about the crane is how easy it is to maneuver. You can quickly move it from one position to another, and it moves effortlessly on flat surfaces.
We've had to stop the crane a few times due to software issues, which we had to resolve with the factory. But they managed to control and update most of it remotely, so we were back up and running in no time.
hvor det var slik, så vi var oppe og gå igjen I løpet av kort tid.
The data that we're getting from the vehicles is not personalized, so we're complying with the principle of data protection. Our aim is to use this data to cleanly analyze occurring events and then provide a suitable solution quickly. The aim of a field test like this is, of course, to avoid serial damage. In our case, we've actually had such a scenario where a supplier had a problem with a valve. We discovered this relatively quickly on numerous vehicles, enabling us to then introduce effective measures to get this serial problem under control before series launch. This meant that we were able to achieve a very calm series launch with the LTM 1110-5.2 and the new Liebherr 3 control.